Hello, this is a quick tutorial on setting up and organizing your business folders. This is good practice for a couple of reasons. One is you can find things when you need to find things. And two, backing up to an external device. Very important to keep backup of important business data. So for this example, I'm going to set up a new business data folder in my documents folder. Now, this can be stored anywhere as long as you know where it is. So I'm going to double click on my documents. It'll open up a window. Now, mine's empty because this is an example, but yours will be full of stuff, no doubt. No problem. So we're just going to set up a new folder in this folder, my documents. Now, to do that, you right click in the window, select new folder, or you can click on the new folder at the top. So we just create a new folder and we're going to call this My Line Dance Business. This is your main master data folder. It's this folder you would just copy, and paste onto an external device to back up. So we just double click into this folder. Now your business is going to have different areas and different data you'll collect in time. So we're going to set up a few new folders here, just as an example. New folder, first one, I'm just going to put in accounts. You don't have to use all these folders, and you might find other folders that would be more handy for you. Dance, scripts, and two more, music and video. Okay. So we're just going to focus on the video folder for the moment, just in preparation for this course. So if you double click on video, we're just going to set up a few subfolders within here. 4 to be precise. Completed. Another one called media library. One called projects, and lastly one called transfer. We're going to use this folder to store our videos and clips from our devices. So when you've recorded your clips, videos, intro, teach, whatever onto your device, we'll need to transfer those files into this folder. It's just easier doing it this way, so we always know where these files are stored. So you'll open up your device window. So let's say here's my device. I have 3 files in there at the moment, all ready to go. Now I'm just going to click on my transfer folder, keep my finger on the left mouse button whilst I drag around them, and then left button hold down again to drag across, or simply copy and paste. So I'm just going to move those videos across there. Let's see what they are. So very good practice to rename these files now. Now, the internet browsers struggle to use spaces. It confuses them. They don't use space. They replace the space with another character. So it's very good practice to name your files without using spaces. You can do this by using hyphens and underscores where necessary. So I'm just going to name this file Katrina Intro. The hyphen in between. I know this clip is the teach, so I'm just going to call this Katrina Teach. And then lastly, this one is our Katrina Outro. Okay, made a mistake there. I put a space in. See, even I do it. Hyphen, or you can use underscore. But try to remember, do not use spaces in file names.